Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your HP laptop camera is showing a black screen, not being detected, or just refusing to work on Windows 11, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to check your privacy settings, update your drivers, and physically unlock your webcam immediately. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu and click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Camera. Make absolutely sure the toggle switches for Camera Access, Let Apps Access Your Camera, and Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera are all turned on. This step is crucial because Windows 11 has strict built-in privacy features that can completely block all applications from accessing your camera hardware if these basic switches are accidentally turned off. Next, open your Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and open the application. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Cameras category to find your specific webcam on the list. Right-click your webcam, select Disable Device, hit Yes to confirm, and then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Doing this forces Windows to quickly cut and restore the software connection to the camera hardware, effectively resetting it and clearing out temporary glitches without needing to restart your whole computer. While you are still in the Device Manager, right-click your webcam one more time and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, select Let me pick from an available list of drivers on my computer, choose USB Video Device, and hit Next. Manually selecting this generic USB video device driver often bypasses corrupted or outdated manufacturer drivers, forcing Windows to establish a clean, stable connection for your webcam. Finally, if your camera still isn't showing an image, physically look at the actual webcam lens at the top of your laptop screen. If you see a small physical switch next to or just above the lens, slide it over to make sure the privacy shutter isn't actively covering the camera. Many modern HP laptops include this physical hardware blocker. If it is slid closed, no amount of software troubleshooting will ever make your video appear because the lens is physically covered. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.